right, guys. I don't know what happened with the recording, but this one's going to be a long one, so just bear with me. So what we're going over, we're doing an unboxing for the King Series Level 212, the new ones we just came out. This is the box right here. It's pretty much tells you, and I'll start from the very beginning. It tells you the type of subwoofer it is. It tells you the RMS on it. It tells you what series it is, the brand, and it comes with a sticker that tells you about the Jeep that we have and so forth and so on, the company name and the website. So a lot of people was asking about cutouts. So what I did was and just made it extremely easy for you guys who orders it and wants cutouts, because the other ones didn't come with cutouts, so forth and so on in the box, and nobody ever wanted to go to the website to look at it. So here it gives you the cutout. It gives you the overall cutout, the diameter. It gives you the height. It gives you the inside diameter. It gives you everything that you need as far as your cutout goes. So when you open up the subwoofer box, the first thing you're gonna see when you open up, it's two boxes for more protection for you guys during shipping. This would be on top. You get a little poster type of a thing here that is, it looks good, and most importantly, it tells you about the subwoofer. It tells you everything that the box does. It tells you guys to go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Just follow us all at Untouchable Sounds. So when you see this here, don't discard this. You can put it on your wall after you're done, but when you flip it around, it gives you all the information that you need for the subwoofer. For the people who are just now getting into it and wanting to learn and know how to wire their subs up, I even included a wiring options for you guys, as far as if you have 1 sub, 2 subs, 3 subs, 4 subs, so forth and so on, how to wire it up. Now, with this here, it also tells you ways to get in contact with me. That address is no longer right. It's actually 3051 Riley Drive, Springfield, Illinois 62703, but that is the current website. So it also tells you guys where to follow us as, and it gives you the information on the subwoofers. So it tells you the King Series 12s and the 15s, and it gives you the diameters and all that other stuff, and it gives you the recommended box enclosures between 2 and 2.5 cubes for the 12s and 4 and 4.5 for the 15s. So it just really all depends also on what power you have. It also depends on your electrical. As you guys know, more power, you can go ahead and adjust your box from there. It gives you the X Max on it. It gives you the BL. It gives, you know what I mean? So we have everything that you need. It tells you about the subwoofer. It tells you about the baskets. It tells you about the Mega Surround. It tells you about the coil, so forth and so on. So this subwoofer is a complete redesigned subwoofer from the original King Series sub that we used to have, which the King Series sub was like this one here. That is what it used to be. That's what it used to look like, and it's no longer like that. Obviously, it's like this. And we've also changed a lot of stuff, because the level 2 V1s had the TI baskets, and now we have this beautiful basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into explaining the actual subwoofer. So when you see the subwoofer here, you're gonna see that you're gonna automatically notice the crown. You're gonna notice that it's a carbon fiber reinforced paper cone. It's got the Mega Surround foam with that is more rubberized, more than the actual foam ones that we used to use that were like this. We no longer use that kind. I personally like this kind a lot better. So that goes over the top. It's double stitch on the cone to the foam. And so when you go into that, then we're gonna go ahead and go down to it. You're gonna see a double pack spider. So with this spider pack, it's a progressive spider pack, which what I call progressive spider pack. And so with this spider pack here, you're gonna see it's a 3 to 2 spider pack. It's a bolt down spider pack with plastic rings. For all of you that had And I should have brought a flashlight on this one so I could have showed you guys. But we had a lot of people talking about glue issues. This one's definitely not going to have a glue issue. We have glue on the top ring of the glue, and the bottom ring of the glue. I don't know if you can see that. So, but the reason why I chose this basket, let's go over this basket real quick so that I can tell you why I chose this basket over the TI basket. Make sure you guys pay attention to that grill right there, okay? So, we'll come back to that grill in a second. So, the reason why I chose this subwoofer basket, it's a lot of, you have a lot going on as far as airflow. So, airflow, you have all these vents that are opened up here. And a lot of people was asking me, oh, how come you don't have the spacer between the magnet and the basket? The reason why I don't have that spacer is because I don't need that spacer. The reason why I don't need that spacer is because all these vents here are going to give you enough venting for the coil. Whereas if you have something like that or something that's more closed off, then you would add that spacer in it to give you the cooling that you need. The other reason why I chose this basket is because I have multiple areas where I can move my recone. So this one has 4 different locations. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, where you can go ahead and recone it and you do it however you want to do it. This subwoofer has 4-gauge push terminals. It has dual stitch tensile leads. It has an 8-layer coil, high temperature CCA coil, flat wound coil on it. So it has an aluminum former. It's a 3-inch voice coil. Just so if I don't know if I said that, it's a 3-inch voice coil. It's 8-layer. It's 65 millimeter wind height on this subwoofer, on this coil, excuse me. So for those of you who don't know, this is a Y35 magnet, stitch tensile leads. It's a Nomax spider pack. So the spider packs I feel like they're a lot better for it. So that's that subwoofer there. It's a 1500 watt subwoofer. It also has, and I might mess this up here. Let's see if it stays without falling. We have it where I decided to put the actual brand name, Untouchable Sounds, on the back plate of the subwoofer. It is a triple stack magnet. We have the boot on here. Me personally, a lot of people was saying that they wanted it. Me personally, I would prefer to take it off. But the way we did it, it is sometimes hard to take these things off. Me personally, in my box, I would cut this off to keep it from absorbing more heat. But some people wanted it, so I put it on there. You have the option to take it off, which I recommend to take this off if you guys wanted to. So again, you're looking at the Untouchable Sounds King Series Level 212 carbon fiber dust cap and cone. With this reinforced paper cone, which is on the bottom, before anybody starts saying anything. Your mega surround, your high surround foam. I really like this surround. I like it a lot better than the other ones. Again, we're just recapping. Bolt down spider packs, dual stitch tensile leads, 4-gauge push terminals, multi spots that you can go ahead and recone if you needed to, if you're in a situation that you need to move it or whatever. We got enough venting on the subwoofer to be able to get the coil